Today we are going to review how to use the OneDrive app to scan a paper document to create a PDF file. The first step is to open up the app. If you have not already logged into your Microsoft 365 account, that will be your first step. Once you've logged in, you should see all the files that you would normally see on a desktop version or on the web-based version. To scan a document, click the middle button at the bottom with the circle or the plus sign. Either one will give you the option to scan. Notice the symbols are the same. Once you have the scan option, you can choose what type of surface you're scanning. So in the classroom, you could scan the notes on your whiteboard, a document, or even a business card. For today, I will be scanning a document. If this is a worksheet that I want to have my students have access to while we're remote learning, but I have it a paper copy, I'm going to place my device, whether it be an iPad or a smartphone, whatever device that you have, besides a laptop, a scannable device, I'm going to place it over the document. You'll notice that there are blue lines that show up on the document. That is what is going to be captured. So the further away I put it, you'll notice that the blue lines are catching part of my table. So I might move it a little closer, get it as close as I possibly can, and then I'm going to push the white picture button. Once I've scanned it, it's going to give me a draft of what it's scanned. Now I noticed that there are some brown marks on the edges, not very many, but some. And I can crop those out if I would like, just to tidy it up a little bit. You'll notice my shadow is there, which I could fix by rescanning. But in any event, I have my document. I can rotate the document. I can change the type of surface so that it might take out some of that shading that we were seeing. Okay, so I could play with those features to get the best images possible. So I might actually stick with the whiteboard. I can add text and write something on my document if I would choose, or I can even draw. When I have the document the way I would like it, I can hit done. If there are more pages, say I have a packet that I'm trying to scan, I can hit the plus sign and scan a second page. And it will create a packet or booklet of work. When I'm done, I will hit done, and I can save this to my files. So I'm going to name my document and then place it in the file that I want. And I can choose a folder that is already there. And hit save. And it will let me know that my file has been uploaded. Now that this file is in my OneDrive, I can access it from any device. So I can take this file, here it is, Math Challenge Day 1. I can take this file and I can add it to my Microsoft Teams. I can share it via OneDrive through email. I can access it from an iPad, from a laptop, across any device, and now can manipulate it. In order to share from the OneDrive, I click the dots of 3. Remember, dots of 3 click on me, and I can share it with my colleagues. So I can type in someone's address, and then I simply click send to send them a copy of that file. That dots of 3 click on me will give you other options as well. To make this available offline, I can move it to another folder, I can rename it, move it, and so on.